at Skull Shaver, and today we're going to check out the Palm Shaver. The Palm Shaver is a cordless shaver powered by a lithium-ion battery that gives you 60 minutes of runtime. The top of the shaver has an LED light showing you the charge. Green means it is good. When the light turns red, you have less than 10 minutes of operation left. The Palm Shaver comes with a 3-head CR3 blade. Each of the shaving heads pivots and flexes, allowing the blade to contour to your head or face. The shaver's design gives you a couple of options for grips. You can hold it in between your fingers like this, making it convenient to shave the back of your head. Or you can hold the top of the handle like this, which is convenient for shaving the top of your head, sides of your head, or your face. With the shaver, you can shave dry or you can shave wet. The unit is water resistant, so you can use it in the shower. Included with the Palm Shaver, the nose and hair trimmer tames those unwanted hairs. Each Palm Shaver comes with a USB cable for charging. Simply plug this side into the back of the shaver and the other side into any USB port from a computer, battery pack, or the optional Wahl adapter. The Pitbull and Palm Shavers have blades that are easily replaceable. Simply hold the blade, turn the blade 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and pull away from the main unit to separate. To replace the blade, simply insert the blade and turn 1/4 turn clockwise to lock the blade into place. The CR3 blade has 3 heads that pivot and flex to contour your face or head. To clean your CR3 blade, separate the blades and just rinse underwater. While you are shaving, the design of the blades will capture the hair inside the blade chambers. To get the best performance and to keep the blade as sharp as possible, we recommend rinsing while you are shaving. To keep the blades clean and sharp, you can use the optional available rinse stand. To rinse the blades, simply turn the shaver on and dip the running blades into the water. Let it run a few seconds and the blades will push out the hair clippings. If you're looking for a convenient, smooth shave in around 90 seconds, check out the Palm Shaver from Skull Shaver.